Hey everyone, Lisa here from Down to Earth Gardening, and today's video is on a really simple way to display your cut dahlias. So it's the easiest method for arranging them that I know of, so I wanted to share it all with you. And I have so many dahlias here. I just harvested all of them because the temperatures are dropping, and then once the frost hits, then that's it for the season. So it's time to go out there and pick all of your dahlias. So I want to walk you through this, and this may be a quick video today. And part one is really going to be just a little recap on how to get the most mileage out of your cut dahlias. And I did do a full length video on that when I harvested them. But also at the end, I want to show you a few other flowers that would look really pretty in the mix that can be cut right now, and you may have them on hand. So just some options to mix up your arrangements a little bit. So what we're going to need, other than our dahlias, is just a vase that holds water. So a vessel with no holes in the bottom. I'm going to use this little urn style vase here. This was like a super reasonable little vase, and I love the neutral color. It's about 8 inches tall, and the mouth of it is probably about 6 inches. So a clean vase, and you want to fill that up with water about halfway or 2/3 full, and more on that to come. So I've got my vase here, I've got my flowers, and then of course you need your snips, your floral scissors, or just some regular scissors is fine. And then I've got a secret ingredient here, which is going to make this easier. And all it is a little piece of chicken wire. So I just cut a little strip of chicken wire and I just crumpled it up. And what I'm going to be doing with it is just dropping it in the vase. Now, this is really the simplest way to arrange your dahlias, because when you cut them, the stems are going to be all different lengths. And they like a little bit of space in their arrangement to last the longest. And so the chicken wire will just provide a little bit of support, and you can get creative, you can spread them out. So this is going to be the magic right here. So just go ahead and put that in your vase. Okay, so I have my chicken wire here submerged in the water. So it's pretty sturdy in the vase here. And then I'm just going to top off the vase with some more water. Now the reason for that is, like I said, some of the stems are shorter, and you want to make sure that the stems are really submerged in the water. So I have some dahlias here that are a pretty good length. And then I have some others that are a little bit shorter. And so I want to make sure that the stems are submerged in the water. So you want to do that because the stems take up water through the whole stems. That's how the flowers take up the water. And you also want to go ahead and trim your stems at a 45-degree angle. And I always like to recut them a little bit. You can cut them to length or just give them a quick trim. 45-degree angle, because that way there's more surface area for them to be able to take up the water. So they're going to take up water here and then all along the stem. So make sure your vases are full. And then I start thinking about colors. I have a lot of different colors here for dahlias today. Let me just show you this group. And I start thinking about if it's going to be a one-sided arrangement or two-sided. I'm probably going to put this on my kitchen counter, so I'm going to try to make this 360 viewing here, so it looks pretty from all the different sides. and then that's it. You just go for it. Okay, so I cut off the leaves. No leaves, buds, or anything should be in the water, just the stem. This is what I have so far. I've got a little more room for a couple more. So another interesting thing about dahlias is when you're putting them into your arrangement, the buds are not going to open any more than they already are when they're cut. So I don't mind picking dahlias at some different stages here because I like the diversity in the floral arrangement. But just so you all know at home that when you're harvesting your dahlias, if you want open flowers, then you pick them with the flowers fully open. And if the undersides are coming apart or they're brown, then that means they are past their prime. So this one here is a pretty perfect specimen. Okay, so let me show you what I have here. Some beautiful colors, different style dahlias. Now, I'm perfectly happy with an all dahlia flower arrangement. However, as promised, we're getting to the end of the video, and I just want to show you one more quick thing, and that is a few other flowers that you may have on hand that mix really well with dahlias if you do decide you want to mix up your arrangement. So right now it's fall, and I have some beautiful purple asters. So this is a great possibility for something in the mix, and I just want to get the dahlias closer so you can see them together here. And then I've got some of my cosmos and zinnias, and they're really winding down. So a couple other options here. If I wanted to make it more colorful, the cosmos can give it a nice airy look. And I also have some flowers from my coral bells and some of my grasses. So this grass is in my container, and it's rubrum. It's an annual grass, has a nice burgundy red color. And I do have a lot of warm colors in my arrangement here. So this would be a really nice complementary plant to add in the mix, as well as the coral bells. So I may go ahead and add a few more just to mix it up a little bit, but I just wanted to show you a really simple way to make a beautiful arrangement. We're coming up on a time where we're going to be having lots of holidays and dinner parties, and so it'd be great to have a few of these around the house or even a gift. So thank you so much for joining me. I love doing these videos for you, and if you like this one, please go ahead and tap like and hit subscribe for some future gardening fun with me.